accept the responsibilities for success. There is a one person responsible for your life which you are living. Guys, you can guess it, that is you. If you take 100% responsibility, it means you empower yourself. How? Because you start to feel the control which you are taking, that lies within you. If we start to control, if we start controlling anybody, so the thing we can control it, because the control which is begun, that lies within us. So when we people do not make the decision, so we are making the choice to not to make the decision. So when you start taking the responsibilities, automatically you start empowering yourself. That is important. And the day you take the responsibility, something boosts you. You energize yourself. And this is one method which has been given by the Jack Canfield. E plus R equals O. E stands for events, that is connected with our day-to-day life which we are living. So when we live the life, of course events are going on in our life which are within us. E plus R. R stands for your that response. How you respond to others. How do you respond to those events which you are living in your day-to-day life. And O stands for outcomes. How do you experience these all responses? So how do you experience these all events? So the thing is that when you use this method, E stands for events, simple way. O stands for outcomes, but between them there is a R. It stands for response. So it's not the matter of only events, it's all about response. How do you respond to others? That is important. The day you start responding to others, it means you are respecting yourself. You're making your self-image. There's a purpose in our life. There's a purpose in your life. And if you ask anybody, why do others respect those people who are up to this position? Because they have made their image. They have been responding still to their tasks. They understand the responsibility. So if you really want to become successful, accept the responsibility for success. Be accountable. The day will approach, same day you will achieve the success and you will become responsible for that. You will understand how to shoulder the responsibility. Thank you guys. My name is Jitendra Gangwani. If you really like this video, so please do subscribe to my channel where I would be giving you lots of opportunities. Thank you. Have a nice time ahead.